Hey, what's up guys? I'm Javier Guzman with MrPhoneDoctor.com, and I just want to give you guys a big thank you. We are about to hit 10,000 subscribers. We really couldn't have done this without all of your guys' support. And to thank you all, I wanted to do a giveaway. So we're going to be giving away 3 prizes, guys. We're going to be giving away a Samsung Galaxy S9, a UABird AI Play gimbal, and a screen repair for any model Apple or Samsung device. And that'll be done by our technicians here at MrPhoneDoctor.com. And to enter this giveaway, it's very simple, guys. All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell notification, take a screenshot of that, and send it to our social media platforms via DM. We will be doing this drawing at the end of the month, so stay tuned, and thank you all once again for your support. We couldn't be here without you guys. See you guys in the next episode. Cheers.